have Katie and Grizz's 4 we called puppies out. A lot more mobile, and they are the fattest little chunks. And you can see they have their little puppy mush all over their faces and their bodies. They walk through it, swim in it, and walk over each other. They're just a mess. Yeah. You guys haven't missed a meal, have you? You're just little chunker munkers. They're a lot easier to play with than the 6-week-olds, aren't they?
Yep.
They just scattered like the wind. These guys at least hang out.
Not fast enough to run away on us. Oh, you CP?
Goodness.
Oh my! Pay attention to me? Hey, I think your buddy just wants to sleep. He doesn't want to play anymore. These guys wear out quickly.